Hello learners, let's begin day 3 with personal and daily life questions. For your better learning, just repeat all the questions and all the answers. So let's go ahead with the first question. It is asking about your name. अगर आपको किसी का नाम पूछना है तो आप कैसे पूछेंगे? What's your name? Repeat it. What's your name? And if you want to reply, what should be the reply of this question? My name is, then your name. My name is X, Y, Z. Okay? You should speak your full name. Next question is, how old are you? In this question, you ask about the age. And if somebody is asking you, अगर कोई आपसे पूछ रहा है तो आपको अपनी age बोलनी है. I am 20 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 25 years old. Third question is, where do you live? In this question, we ask or tell about the place where we live. हम जिस जगह पर रहते हैं. So where do you live? For example, I live in Jaipur. I live in Kanpur. Okay? If you live in Varanasi, I live in Varanasi. I live in Delhi. So where do you live? You can answer this question. Now the fourth question is, what time do you wake up? This question is asking about your usual time. Every day normally किस time पे आप सुबह जागते हैं? So for that you need to reply, I wake up around. Okay? Try not to say on 7 a.m. on 6 a.m. Okay, because usually we do not wake up at exact time. So we would say, I wake up around, then you put the time. I wake up around 5 a.m. I wake up around 6 a.m. I wake up around 7 a.m. It's like that. Then question number 5 is, what's the first thing you do in the morning? तो सुबह उठ के सबसे पहले हम क्या काम करते हैं? So it depends on you. If you fold your sheets, so you can say, the first thing I do in the morning is fold my covering sheet. अगर आप उठ के सीधे ब्रश करते हैं तो the first thing I do in the morning is brush my teeth. The first thing I do in the morning is freshen up myself. The first thing I do in the morning is take the bed tea. Okay, so it depends on what you do. Question number 6 is, what do you usually have for breakfast? So this question is asking, normally breakfast में आप क्या खाते हैं, क्या लेते हैं? Okay, so you can answer, usually I have, then the name of the dish. Suppose usually I have idli in breakfast. Usually I have poha in breakfast. It's up to you. Usually I have paratha for breakfast. Usually I have milk and biscuits for breakfast. So it is up to you what you eat. Next, question number 7 is, how do you go to school? Or how do you go to office? आप school या office कैसे जाते हैं? So I go to school by bus, or I go to office by bus, or you can say I go to office by my bike, or by car, or by any vehicle you choose to go. Okay, the next is, what's your favorite subject? So if you have more than one subjects, you can say my favorite subjects are maths and science. If it is only one, you can say my favorite subject is maths. Next, question number 9 is, what's your favorite dish? In this question, we ask or we reply about what is the favorite dish which we like to eat. Okay? So you can answer like this. My favorite dish is aloo paratha, or my favorite dish is noodles. My favorite dish is, so whatever dish is your favorite dish, you can use my favorite dish phrase और उसमें फिर आपको बोला है जो भी आपको खाना सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. Okay? So like my favorite dish is chole bhature, idli, dosa, whatever you want to say. Now, question number 10 is the last one. What do you want to become? So, now this question you need to answer or ask in search of what a person wants to be in future. Okay, this can be a career oriented question कि आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हैं. आप किसी से पूछना चाहते हो कि आप क्या बनना चाहते हो, और अगर किसी ने आपसे पूछा है that what you want to become, so you can answer like this. आपको कैसे आंसर करना है? I want to become, then the name of the profession which you want to opt. Suppose I want to become a doctor, or I want to become an engineer, or I want to become a teacher, or I want to become an IAS officer. So that is totally up to you what you want to become. आपको 10th question के आंसर में बोलना है I want to become, then the name of the profession. Got it? If you want to become a businessman, you can say I want to become a good businessman. And the safe answer, the safest answer beta you can say is I want to become a good human being. Happy learning. Subscribe the channel for more such videos.